morning guys, welcome to my channel Grace Shining Star. केश हाय सगळीं सजमता सगळीं बरें हाय म्हणून आयज जाय तेंपान हांवें कामाची ऑफ घेयलो हा. सो आयज म्हाका मातशें काम आहा, 2 बँकान वचपाचें आनी इवनिंगूय एक प्लेसीर वचों जाय. मागीर दाखयता तुमकां खुंयचे कडेन तें. सो सी यू गायज लेटर. Right now we are in Consaulim and I am in the Consaulim bank. Here I am going to show you. Okay guys, right now I am outside the bank. One work is done and now I am going to the other bank. So see you guys. Hello guys, right now I am at Belsaung Bank. That is Union Bank. I'll show you. I'm just outside near the Union Bank of India. वाटेर वयता आसतना मिडलू म्हाका चुन्न मेळ्ळी. सो हांवें थंय चुन्न काडपा रावला आतां. हॅलो गायज, घराको पावोन हांगाचें चेंज केलें. तेजे उपरांत चेंज करून सुंगटूच रांदून काडली.
Many unbearable hours later.
Here only. You have to climb the steps and go. Yes. Hello guys, at last we reach on the spot. And here I'm climbing the steps to go on top. Hello guys, at last I reached near the church. This is the church of Remedios Sabin. Here. ये बहुत अच्छी जगह है. इधर टाइम स्पेंड कर सकते, पीस ऑफ माइंड मिलता है. खुल्लम खुल्ला व्यू है, तेज हवा है. Okay guys, now we are taking a move from this place and see you guys later. Hello guys, at last we reach now on the beach. That is Belsaung beach. There are a lot of tourists around here. See behind me, so many cars are there. Yeah. This is the beach. Here you can see the sunset. see the sunset. My goodness. Hello. Garranco boilo. Pero. My goodness. Hello guys, now we are reached home and I want to get fresh up now, and after that I have to see something pet puja and then we are going to sleep. So do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel Grace Shining Star.